Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to check out the 2018 Toyota Corolla Altis G-Spec. So I'm very curious about the Toyota Corolla Altis. This because this car is not really popular in our Malaysian market, but it's very popular in overseas market. So I'm curious to find out what is the advantage of the C segment manufactured by Toyota, which is the Toyota Corolla Altis, against its competitors such as the Proton Private, which already discontinued, and also the most popular car in Malaysia, the Honda Civic. So let's find out today. So this 2018 model is actually the facelifted model over the 2015 Toyota Corolla Altis. There are three variants offered: the 1.8E, 1.8G, which is the mid-range, and also the 2.0V. So the particular model of this is the 1.8G with body kit. So let's start with the exterior features. So only the V variant you get LED headlights, while on the E and the G spec you get halogen reflector, but you get LED DRL. So the appearance of the facelifted model is more aggressive compared to the pre-facelift model, and you get the very sharp edges right here to maintain the sportiness of the car, and you get fog lights and front parking sensors. So this is a 6-segment sedan which competes against the Honda Civic. This is the side profile of the Corolla Altis. So this car uses 205 55 16 inch, while on the V variant it uses 17 inch alloy rim. And this car uses a 1.8 liter dual VVTi engine together with a CVT gearbox with 7 virtual speed like the 2019 Toyota Vios. And for the C segment sedan, the keyless entry must be included. And you get rear disc brakes and a side skirt. This is optional item. At the rear it gets LED tail lights standard across the range, and also the dark tail spoiler is optional accessories. And you will notice there are some fins at the lights and also the base on the side mirrors to have better aerodynamic. And when you notice that Toyota Corolla Altis doesn't have antenna on the roof. So you get automatic window in the driver's side, central locking and window lock. And you get rather tight door pockets and also cup holders and Altis kit plate. Surprisingly, the G variant still uses manual adjustment seats, while on the Honda Civic you get electronic adjustment seats standard across the range. I think this is because this Corolla Altis is at the Malaysian market for quite some times, so it's not up to date like the Honda Civic, but you still get soft touch material at the dashboard. It doesn't seem high quality, but it lasts longer compared to others' rival. And also all the things are better built. It doesn't make any rattling noise. Like the door handle, most cars will have rattling noise, but not the Toyota Corolla Altis. Still feel really sturdy. You get soft touch leather right here, and also the rest are all hard plastic, but these are better built and better quality hard plastic. And you get analog dials. It doesn't have the virtual LCD screen like the Honda Civic, had fancy stuff, but it lasts longer. Toyota cars are pretty reliable, included the Toyota Corolla Altis. It has been popular in overseas market because of its reliability and durability. And aircon vents, you can close it by twist to the right side. Feels pretty sturdy, doesn't feel flimsy. And the dashboard kept simple. It doesn't like the Honda Civic, many lines, many complicated design. This is more like traditional sedan, and you get automatic climate controls. Pretty simple, but it's usable. And couple of blank buttons down here, 12-volt socket, touchscreen head unit, and a clock. So this feels pretty classic for the old model. And you get sport mode activated, and it doesn't get pedal shift, but you get guided shift with manual function, steering motor controls, and leather wrap steering. And everything kept simple. And also the light also you need to open manually. It doesn't have automatic function, but nonetheless it's the pretty decent car which does not have advantage, but it doesn't have disadvantage as well. It is a pretty simple car for daily usage. Pretty decently sized glove box, and center console with the cover right here. That's about it. And also 2 cup holders. You can remove the partition. Let's get to the rear seats. Okay, in my opinion, the rear seats doesn't feel as spacious as the Honda Civic, and also it doesn't come with the rear aircon vents, so it will be feeling hot when it's hot weather when you sit there at the rear. But you still get this pretty traditional hooks right here, and cup holders and door cuts. So you get center armrest. Every C segment sedan must equip with, and also with the high quality cover. 3 adjustable headrests, 2 seat pocket at the front seat back, and at the rear the only thing is the chrome door handle and the silver panel right here. The rest are all black and hard plastic, except this part is leather cladding. Pretty decently sized boot. You can fold down the rear seats for more boot space. This seat folds 60/40, and down here is the spare tire. It's a full size spare tire. Okay, so conclusion about the 2018 Toyota Corolla Altis. So this car has been launched for quite some time. So the interior you cannot expect to look futuristic like the newest Honda Civic, because Honda Civic is the new generation model. So Honda made it as the flagship of Honda. So they put a lot of effort inside the new Civic. While on the Toyota Corolla, everything is kept simple and usable and lasts longer. So if you're a kind of person that doesn't care about fancy features, you want something that is reliable, cheap to maintain, it doesn't have big problems, and easy to use for daily usage, and I think you can consider the Toyota Corolla Altis. So this is the best choice. I suggest to take the 1.8G, which is this variant, but you loses out quite some things for the compared to the V variant, which is the 17-inch rim, LED headlights. But I think this thing you can edit for aftermarkets. The main purpose of the Toyota Corolla Altis is it can let the driver and passenger feel comfortable when driving or even ride it. And it's less sporty than the Honda Civic. And you get comfortable seats at the rear and decent headroom. So if you're the kind of person who cares about style, which likes fancy features and better handling, I think you can consider the Honda Civic, because Honda Civic offers you a more powerful engine compared to the Toyota Corolla Altis, more sporty ride and more lower bodies to have better stability. But overall, it's still not as reliable as the Toyota Corolla Altis. So yeah, this is my initial conclusion about the 2018 Toyota Corolla Altis. So if you have any question, you can also drop down at the comment section and let me know. And for those who want to buy a Toyota cars in Seremban, you can also contact the showroom. I will put the contact number down at the description below. So you can support me by subscribing my channel, like and share my videos. So thank you guys and cheers.